Hello, good people. I'm really excited about this tip that I've got for you today because it's going to transform all those tiny little pieces of glass that you have trouble juggling, and it will make you able to get all this lovely detail in your projects that you haven't had before. So what happened was, this came from my stained glass design magic class last year. I had a student called Donna Ray who had a commission, and she'd never ever done a design before, and she came up with this beautiful relaxing beach scene. But when she got down to the nitty gritty of the deck chairs, she started quailing about all those tiny pieces. So we came up with a solution together, and I'm sure you'll see how you can apply it to your own work in the future. Let's see if I can get this technology working. Looks promising. So here's the problem. We've got all these tiny little triangles, and it's all a little bit of a mishmash. So the first thing I suggested was that Donna put a bit of colour in, and that way you can immediately see the shapes, how they stick out, and which bits you need to concentrate on and which you can treat in a different way. The different way I'm talking about is these green pieces. Now these can be used as overlay. Overlay is when you stick a bit of copper foil onto your glass. It's best if it's joined a join somewhere so that it gives it a bit more security. But you stick it on and then you solder it as normal, and you can pattern it. You have to be careful, but it allows you to have pieces that stick out and end in the middle of nowhere, which obviously you can't do if you're cutting it. So we identified those pieces for overlay, and then immediately you can see that it simplifies the cuts. So you've only actually got 4 cuts here. You've got this one here with those overlays on it, the green bits. Number 2 hasn't got any overlays, it's a simple cut. Number 3 is here, and number 4 there. So that's the 4 cuts that you can see, and you can see how the visual aspect of it is a lot more than 4 cuts. And how did that translate into actual work? Here you can see that she's got all these lovely detail in both of these deck chairs, and that it's added a complete different dimension to her work. If you're interested in learning such tips, the Stained Glass Design Magic is coming up again in the near future. If you look down below, I've got some details about how you can make sure that you hear about it, and I'm really hoping that you'll be joining me for this talk course. It's a talk over 3 weeks, and last year it was inspirational for everybody, including me, so I'm hoping you can join me. Thanks a lot.